Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. Hope you enjoy. The first one I have here is one of my biggest ones, and it's one of my favorite ones. It's called Pink Violet. It's really fluffy and stretchy and has some Orbeez in it, like see here and here. So yeah. Next one is called my Coral Foam. It's a foam slime. Next, I have a gold slime. It doesn't look really gold on camera, but it's actually gold. It was supposed to be butter slime, but it's not really butter slime, but it's still kind of butter slime. So yeah. Next one is a glow-in-the-dark one. I love this one, but the only problem, it doesn't have really poking good sound. Next one I'm really proud of because I made this one with nail polish and glue and activator. I love this one. It's one of my favorites. Like, yeah. Next is a other foam. Purple, pink color. I don't know what to name this. So yeah. My last one I'm gonna show you guys today from this box is my leprechaun one. And sorry guys about the background noise. Our neighbors are doing something. Yeah, they're yawning their mouth. And this is the last one I'm gonna show you. It's the Orbeez slime. I love this slime. It's awesome. The Orbeez fall out sometimes, but it's still awesome. I don't know what to call this. Fruit slime or something. I don't know. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye!